how to turn the firewall on and off in Windows. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how you may follow up these simple steps in order to fix it. So for that, what you can do is you can directly open up your settings. You can hit Windows plus I in order to open up your settings directly. And once your settings opens up, you can head over to the option of update and security from your settings and open it up. And once you open up update and settings, so you can head over to Windows security from this settings available. And from Windows security, you can find the option of firewall and network protection. You can go ahead and open it up first. So once you go ahead and open a firewall and network protection, here it will show you all of your firewall that is on. So in order to turn it off, you can manually enter each network. For example, first option, we have this public network. You can go ahead and click on it and you should be finding Microsoft Defender Firewall with the toggle option. All you gotta do is simply click on it and turn it off if it is on, and if it is off, you can just tap on it to turn it on again. Similarly, you can follow the same process for your private network and other networks also, and you can just go ahead and turn on or off your firewall and network protection, and that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow up this process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.